How to set up Google Authenticator on your Android phone. The first thing you need to do is, if you now have this is a Google Authenticator, and how do I get it? You can go to your Play Store and search for Google Authenticator, or you can go to your apps. You can go for Android user. You can go to your App Store, search for Google Authenticator, check it, download it, and install. Now I'm going to open it. Once you open it, it's going to take you to this stage. The first thing is you're going to link your Google account. So I'm going to click on here. Click on your link account that you wanted to use. Just click on this. Once you click on this, continue. Click on continue, and this is how you get your Google Authenticator. And this is it. Add the code. Look, there's any authenticator code here yet. So how do you add the code? Click on add the code. Now the first thing is enter a setup code. So now add an authenticator code. You can use this one to scan any QR code either manually, or you put it. You can click on add a setup account. So this is the code name. Everything. This one is used for some apps that you use that will ask you to get a Google Authenticator code. So what you need to do is just go there. You can see you can transfer code directly, you can export, and you can import code. So there are some apps that need you to use Google Authenticator. What you need to do is just come here. Once you come here, click on add code. You just type the code here. Once you tap the code here, it's going to add automatically, and you're going to generate. It's very simple to use. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.